Alright, got SuperEZ, and this may be a fun flight. I've got it on a 4-cell. First time I've ever flown it on a 4-cell. I did not make any changes to the ESC, so I just wanted to see if it would handle it or not. So I'm going to keep it relatively close so I don't got to walk out there and get it if it burns out. Oh yeah, it's 399 feet for my GPS calibrated eyeball. This is normally I fly this on a 3S 2200, but this is on a 4S 1800. Yeah, I put a 4-cell 1800 in it.
That's only got a 20 amp speed controller in there.
Yeah, somebody on the YouTube, as another YouTube channel named Nick and Haley. Yeah. I had commented on somebody's SuperEZ flight, and he made the comment that he has flown his on 4S with the stock ESC. So I said, well, hell, I'm ready to buy another one. This is an older version. This is a version 2, and they have a version 4 out now. Yeah. So I figured, well, I will try it, and if it burns it up, it'll give me an excuse to buy the new version. Here's a full speed.
I think it goes straight up.
Oh yeah, it had.
Run out of power.
It got right at 399 feet before it cuts out. Wink, wink. Yeah, the YouTube Nick and Haley's website. Anybody who hasn't seen it probably should check it out. But yeah, I'm flying it based on what his tip was, that he flew his and didn't have a problem. Now I'm not flying, you know, max throttle the whole flight.
Yeah.
But I've made about 3 good high-speed passes that lasted for 5 or 6 seconds each, and it's no problem. Sort of like that Panther. You know, it's designed for 3-cell, but I've ran 4-cell on it before with no ill effects. Of course, everybody's experience may differ. Never can tell. You get a marginal ESC on the day of production. Put a 4-cell in it, and as soon as you plug it in, it could make it a crispy critter.
I was going to say, I got plenty of 3-cells. I got 3 left I haven't even plugged in.
You got one of these still, don't you?
Yeah.
Mosquitoes are bugging me, man.
Well, yesterday the aileron on one side quit working again.
Oh, really?
Remember?
Oh, yeah, I remember you saying that.
You said I replaced the Hornets on it.
See, look how tight a circle that thing will turn.
I don't know if I want to. I think I need to replace the servo. But I didn't mark which side it was giving me trouble on.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
How do you know it was I mean, you seen it was giving a problem, you just forgot to mark it, or?
Yeah, no, I took it home and put a new extension on it, wide cord, and it fixed it.
Oh, yeah, that's what I found is on these, when you're sharing a port, the Y connector is the culprit probably 70% of the time instead of a servo. Slow pass. Yeah, I just love this plane. Still, of everything I've ever flown, if you told me I could only have one on hand, this would be it, just because I can fly it anywhere, you know. I do wish they'd put some flaps on them, though. Not that it needs it, it's just makes it a little more fun, I guess. Alright, well, thanks to Nick and Haley's advice, 4-cell battery worked just fine. Your experience may vary.